Hi guys! Today I'm gonna share one of my favorite dessert recipes that's called Bavarian cream. A simple, easy and delicious dessert that's perfect at any time. So let's start it! For making sweetened cream, combine 250 gram cream, 30% fat, and 1.4 cup sugar powder in a large bowl. Put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Once the cream is in the freezer, you can work on the recipe. First, the gelatin needs to bloom. It means sprinkle 1 tablespoon gelatin powder in 1.4 cup water, then let it sit on the simmering water for a few minutes until the gelatin dissolves. In a large bowl, separate 4 egg yolks. If you like such videos, please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Add 1.2 cup sugar. Then whisk them until the mix is nice and creamy. Add 2 cups warm milk over whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Transfer the yolks mixture to the pot on medium heat. Stir constantly until the mixture is thick enough to cover the spoon. Now turn off the heat, add the bloom gelatin. Stir until all the gelatin is dissolved, then set it aside. In this time, remove the cream from the freezer, put the bowl on the pieces of ice, keep the bowl chill. Using an electric hand mixer to mix the cream. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Continue mixing until the whisk wires will leave distinct traces on the cream. Add 1 cup sweetened cream to the yolks mixture. Stir until it softens. Pour into a mold, but not the whole of the mixture. Leave the end of the mold for the chocolate part. Put the mold in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now for the chocolate part, dissolve 1 tablespoon chocolate powder in hot water. Then add to the remaining part. Stir until it's uniform. Now remove the mold. Its surface should be sticky. Add the chocolate part to the mold slowly. Cover and put it in the refrigerator for 8 hours. Now it's the time to release Bavarian cream from its mold. It is particularly easy if you use silicone molds. I use liquid chocolate for filling the shape of the mold. It looks nice and its silky texture is wonderful. Make food with love to make it delicious.